Hey, this is Atif and you're watching my channel Moon333 where I'm posting the trading ideas and also educational stuff. If you didn't subscribe to my channel so far, then do subscribe it for more profit potential trading ideas and educational videos. And do remember that the information I'm providing here in this video is for educational purpose only. This is not intended to be investment advice. So please seek a duly licensed professional for investment advice. Now I'm going to show you uh, the IOTA's move and this will be the midterm technical analysis. IOTA is making a very good move, and this is IOTA dollar, and this will be a week chart. This can be a midterm and also a long-term analysis. And here we can see that on week chart, the price action is moving in a descending triangle, and which starts from here, and this is the upper resistance of the triangle, and this is the support of this descending triangle. This is the support. Now we can see this is the first touch at the support, and now this is the second touch. The price action is hitting at the support, so it can be a powerful double bottom, and the price action may have a breakout from this triangle because we can see the price action is already at the end of this triangle, and it can break the upper resistance at any time. And if we place the Bollinger Bands, and we can see the price action is also hitting the support of the Bollinger Bands. And this can be also second time. This is the first hit, and this is the second hit. And at this time, the price at the Bollinger Band is also moving sideways. It is not down. It is almost at the side, moving sideways. And if we see the RSI of this week chart, and we can see the RSI is also entered in the oversold zone, and the stochastic is also oversold, and soon it will give us the bull cross like it gave here. And but that was not a very powerful bullish divergence, but this time it can give a very powerful bullish divergence. Let me just show you why. If we see at the corner of this descending triangle here, and we can see the price action has formed a bullish butterfly pattern. This is initial leg, the X to A leg, and A to B leg is retraced between 0.618 up to 0.786 Fibonacci, and the B to C leg is retraced between 0.382 up to 0.886 Fibonacci, and C to D leg is retraced between 1.27 up to 1.618 Fibonacci. So here our bullish butterfly pattern is completed, and almost this is our potential reversal zone. Now the price action can take the bullish divergence from this potential reversal zone, and can take the can take the breakout from this triangle's resistance as well, because we can also see, we have already seen that the price action is forming a double bottom. This was the first bottom, this was the second bottom, and the RSI is already in the oversold zone. The stochastic is already in the oversold zone. So um, this pattern can be a very powerful cause it has the support of the oscillators as well, and also the chart pattern of this triangle support, and the price action from this potential reversal zone of this bullish butterfly pattern. The price action can take the bullish divergence, and this bullish divergence can produce a very powerful move, which can even uh, break out this resistance of this descending triangle. Now, if we see the targets, now let me to show the targets where we should buy and where we should sell. And then this is our buying range, and these are the sell targets. So this trade can give us up to 66 or 70% profit. And I am also sharing the link of the Tradingview in the video's description. You can find my all charts there. I've also published this chart on the Tradingview. When you will be on the Tradingview, after clicking on that link, you just need to click on the people option, select the people option from here, and write my username moon333. And when you click on my link, you can find any chart from my portal. And that's all. Thank you so much for watching the complete video. I'll be back soon with more profit potential trading ideas and educational videos. And do remember that our stop loss point is this potential reversal zone. If a complete candlestick will be closed below this potential reversal zone, then we can take exit from the trade. I'll be back soon. Take care. Goodbye.